Hello everyone, it's Connie here from MenuDocs and welcome back to a new video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a meme command, a dog command, and a cat command. So let's get straight into this. First, what we're going to do is we're going to head on over into commands. We're going to make a new folder and we're just going to simply call these images. Next, what we'll do is we'll make our commands. So we'll do cat.js, we will make dog.js, and then we will make meme.js. Now these commands, all the structure will pretty much be the same. So let's go straight into the meme and we'll start with meme. So we're going to do const command requiring our base command file here, structure, we'll do structures, and then we'll do command here. After this, what we're going to do is we're going to do const embed, message embed, sorry, and we're going to require this from the discord.js file. We're going to require this from the discord.js package. Next in line, we're going to do fetch. Now, I don't believe we've used fetch yet, so you will need to install it, and this is obviously node fetch. After this, we're going to have a simple array. I'm going to call these subreddits, and obviously we're using, Reddit now. Next, what we'll do is we'll add memes as one of them. This is like the obvious one. We'll do deep fried memes. Next in line, we'll do something like bone hurting juice. Next, we'll do surreal memes. Next in line after that, we'll do obviously everyone's favorite, which is dank memes. Now you can add more to this. I'm not stopping you. So we'll do me IRL, me underscore IRL, and then finally we'll do just funny. So that is our simple array here. So we're gonna have the basic construct set up now. So we're gonna do module.exports, we're gonna do class extends, and then just simply command. We're going to need to make our async run, our run function, and obviously pass in message here. Outside of this, we're going to do const data equals await, and we're going to await the fetch here. We're going to do fetch. We're going to do https://imgur.com/r/, and this is where we come in with our subreddits. And inside here, we're going to do math.floor, if I can spell floor right. And then we'll do math.random, and then this should get a random element from the array here. And you can take this same kind of method and use it in the automatic status change to randomize the picks instead of having them go step by step. After this, what we'll do is we'll do hot.json. Following this, what we shall do is we'll do .then, and we'll do response. We'll do an arrow function here. And this arrow function will go to response.json, and this will make the response a JSON. Following that, we'll do then.body arrow function body.data, getting the data here. Following this, what we'll do is we'll do const selected, and then equals data. We're going to do math.floor. Following that, we'll do math.random yet again, data.length. And that will get us a random input here. And then we'll do return message.channel.send. And we are going to send a new message embed. And then we're going to pretty much do set image. And we will set the image here. So inside here, we're going to do HTTPS. We're going to do imgur. And then this is where we do selected.hash. Selected. I don't know why I've got an X here. So selected.hash, and then outside of here we'll do selected.ext, and then we'll replace, and then we are going to do forward bracket, back bracket, question mark dot, I'm going to do a star / comma, and then this will just be an empty string here, and pretty much just gonna add our beautiful semicolon on the end. Remember to fix your ESLint issues real quick, and it will do its thing. Following this, what we will do is we will just quickly copy this to dog, copy this to cat, and then we can simply go dog.js. We'll have 3, so we'll do dog. After this, we can do dogs. After this, we can do dog pics. You could probably add something like puppies. I don't know, like it's up to you. Like you could do whatever you want, just as long as obviously, it's a dog command, right? So it needs to return dogs. So same thing here with a cat command. you just pretty much have cat, you'd have cats, and then you could possibly have cat pics. And then, as I said, you could just have like kittens, or you could, you know, do whatever you want, just as long as it retains to it being cats. And then we'll quickly fix that as well. Then we'll hit save. So now that that is done, where have we done? Yep, okay. So we need to quickly just go through and add these as selected instead of select. So don't forget to add your node fetch to your packages as well. So I'm just quickly installing it because we don't have it. So now that that is installed, we're just going to quickly run the bot. So as you see, 10 commands have been loaded. So I said to run the bot, but I've just noticed an issue here. So math.random is actually supposed to be a function. So that's probably going to end up breaking the command. So what we'll do, we'll just quickly, oh, it's even down here as well that I've done a goof. So because I've copied and pasted, obviously from every file here, it's going to be the same. Oh, apart from the meme command here, of course. Obviously just quickly fix the indents as well. All right, so now we should be able to, oh, we got an issue here. What's this new line at the end of a file? There you go. As you may see as well, because I was rushing, which by the way, don't rush when you code. I've forgotten the .com here as well. So make sure you go through all, including, you know, the meme, dog, and cat commands, just to make sure that you quickly add that. So what we'll do is we'll start up the bot, hopefully for the final and last time. Duncan says hello. And then what we'll do is we'll do cat. Cat command will come up. We'll do dog. The dog command will come up, and then we'll do meme. And finally, you got a meme come up. Anyways, guys, that has been Connor here from MenuDocs. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe for daily, not daily, weekly content. If we did daily, we'd be probably off our heads. But anyways, this has been Connor here from MenuDocs, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace.